This presentation is a research-based educational initiative by Gynnah, EDU 730 for Effective Educational Systems. The research-based educational initiative that I chose was for Level 2 of HRS, Effective Teaching in Every Classroom. There were 3 different parts to this initiative. The first one being collaboration, which happens every Wednesday at a 2:15 out. This is a department collaboration, and I'll explain more about this later. There's also a collaboration that happens twice a month, dismissals at 12:30. This is a vertical and horizontal collaboration. Again, will be further discussed later in this presentation. The last part is an OWL time. This is a multi-tiered support system, also known as MTSS, and it is offered grades pre-K through 12. All students and employees are included. There's purposeful and intentional instruction, teaching every single day, and monitoring and reflections. Again, this will be discussed further in this presentation. The components of this initiative, the first part is collaboration every Wednesday, dismissal at 2:15. This is department collaborations, so every teacher and paraprofessional is required to attend, and they are with only their departments. So science is with science, practical arts with practical arts, PE with PE, and so on. There's detailed accountability sheets that every department has to complete, and there's also data that's reviewed weekly. The next part of this component is a collaboration that happens twice a month. This is a 12:30 dismissal, so there's more time for the teams to work. The first one is a vertical collaboration, and this happens the first Wednesday of every month. This is the same departments that will meet. So science will meet with science, social studies will meet with social studies, and so on. The third Wednesday of each month is a horizontal collaboration. This is different departments, and different teams that will meet each month. So we might have a 4th grade physical education teacher with a 9th grade English 1 teacher and a science 2nd grade teacher. These teams are all working together to make sure that the information and our standards are being met, make sure that we have a spiral curriculum from grade to grade, and so on. The last part of this initiative is OWL time, also known as MTSS. Again, this is pre-K through 12, and all students and employees are included. So this is a very interesting concept. We have made sure that all of our employees, including janitors, principals, athletic directors, anybody that the students might see during the day, get to teach these students. This isn't just a let's come together and sing our ABCs necessarily. This is purposeful and it's intentional. So we look at the data that we've collected and see what parts the students need to excel and what they need to get a better grasp upon. And then that's where we decide who gets to teach what. So there's teaching that's happening every single day with this program. We never, ever, ever skip a day when we are in seat. There's lots of monitoring that happens, reflections that happen weekly. Again, the data is collected, and that's how we get our intentional instruction. And some of the data that's collected within all the grades are the pre and post tests. The results are astounding. We have teacher buy-in. The teachers feel like they are the reason why our students are excelling. There's curriculum that's reviewed weekly. Notes are placed within the curriculum. Our curriculum should be a living, breathing document, and we have exactly that. We know that our students or our teachers are looking at this curriculum every single week, writing in the things that they thought went well, the things that they needed to do differently, maybe new resources that they needed. There's standard alignment that happens weekly. We've seen increased grades, less missing assignments, declined mid-course correction. It doesn't take away from the whole group learning.